Good morning, welcome to Greenfield. We have a beautiful day today for our set for our 850 square foot L line today, as you see behind me. So behind me is the foundation on which our new house is going to sit. We generally get to site about 2 weeks beforehand. We lay it all out, we get our site work team in there, we lay our frost protected shallow foundation, and then we go from there. We get our sill plate ready, and then the set crew shows up. They have all their tools behind me, and they're ready to help get this house from the trailer onto the foundation, secured and roofed, watertight, all in one day. The wrecker is here to bring our house parts in. Our crane will show up, pick it up, and plop it into place on our foundation. That's all set. And ready to go. We have our set crew here. We have our team from Backyard ADUs. We have the clients and a bunch of people from the community here to look on. So we're looking at here, now that our house parts are arrived on site, how it shows up. So in our factory, on the line, the two parts of the L are joined together, all in one run. This makes it sturdy as it's shipped down the road to wherever our new home is going to be. So today you can hear behind me the construction sounds. Our set crew unhooks the house from the trailer. They're also going to cut our two boxes apart so that our crane can pick them up and put the two pieces together like a puzzle.